everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a pair of Deerskin premium grade gloves. These are by Field & Forest, which is a Fleet Farm brand, and that's a Midwest chain, kind of a farm store with a bunch of extra stuff, bikes, house, repair, tools, everything you can think of besides like massive groceries. Anyway, these are great gloves. This is the second pair. My wife had a pair a couple of years ago, wore them all the time, wore them down to nothing. But they're really supple. The deerskin leather is fantastic. They protect your hands. They're not incredibly warm, but they always keep the chill out just by keeping your hands covered. Price point on these is, I think, around $17. And that's not bad for a pair of gloves if you wear them all the time to protect your skin for 2-3 years. Pretty good deal. She's an avid gardener, housework, yard work. Likes to do things outdoors a lot, so this, just like the lady in the picture, protects her hands. I could show you the old pair, but they're all torn up because they've been used well past their design use date, and I'm just late on getting her a new pair. Bad husband. Anyway, they're good for gardening, yard work, pruning, ranch work, home repair, anything where you would want to use your hand and you'd be upset if you got a nick or a ding on your hand because you weren't wearing gloves. That's it. I recommend these because we've used them for years. Price is not incredibly high. It's not a super cheap pair either. It's just a nice pair of premium grade deerskin gloves. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.